Booyah! Hoo-ah! Incoming! Are you all trying for a Section 8?
No! It's not possible!
Pumbaa? How can a rock be proud? It's a rock!
Well, I think it's because a pride is what they call a group of lions.
Oh, sure, the lions get Pride Rock. And what about us meerkats? Where I come from, we didn't have nothing to be proud of. Why, when I was a young meerkat...
When he was a young meerkat!
Very nice.
Thanks.
But maybe it'd be safer if I just show him where I came from.
Oh boy, do we get to see where you grew up?
Yeah, Pumbaa, but it ain't pretty.
Please remain seated while the camera is in motion.
Booyah! Last one alive, lock the door! This is Soldier, by the way. I have an eagle head right now. By the official bird of Livy, Montana. Eagle fact,
I don't know who to thank
maggot.
first. Oh, I know. Me!
Give 'em hell, boys! Wow! Booyah!